I'm feeling so bad because I have been suffering fever for 3 days. That's why I'm not well. But Alhamdulillah for everything. Today in this video I'm gonna share with you when you make English video in front of your camera, when you make English video in public place, that time first of all you need topic. Now I will describe how you can make English video without a topic. It is so important for my English learner. You know that I'm from countryside, it doesn't matter. If I want to describe anything in English, I can describe. If I want to make English video without topic, I can make English video every single day. How you can make English video without any topic? First of all, I want to share with you, whenever you will stay in your field or whenever you will stay in your house, it doesn't matter. You try to describe anything, what you are doing at present, what you are seeing in front of you, I mean what you are seeing around you. You try to describe anything in English, what you are seeing at present. For example, right now I'm standing in my paddy field. As you can see, this is my own paddy field. Behind me, this is a potato field, and it has many potato trees. You know that potato is very delicious and tasty product in our Bangladesh. For that, many people in this time, they have cultivated different kinds of potato plants in their own field. It is so important for us. Side by side, if I want to describe anything, I can describe. As you can see, this is paddy field. You know that paddy is a staple food in our Bangladesh, and in a day, daily 3 times, we eat rice. For that, it is so important for our everyday's life. If you cultivate different kinds of paddy plants in your field, you can earn money from your field. Like this way, you can describe anything in English. And at present, I'm standing in my field. No one is here because this is Ramadan month in our Bangladesh. That's why many people they are staying in their house. At the same time, they gossip each other. It is so important for them. Like this way, I practice my English every single day. Side by side, you know that my voice has changed. It doesn't matter. You know that I'm passionate English learner. That's why every day I have to practice my English in front of my camera. Every day I have to describe anything in English to improve my fluency. If I don't practice my English every single day, I won't be able to improve my fluency. I don't be able to improve my speaking skills. Now I'm speak so fast. That time I'm feeling so bad, and I'm feeling so bad. It doesn't matter. Keep practicing, keep making English video. If you are crazy English learner, like this way, you can practice English every single day without any topic. What you are doing at present, you try to describe all things. I hope that success will come definitely. Now I'm feeling so exhausted. That's why I will close my camera. See you next time.